Hello everyone, it's me Lisa. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make multiple snaps at once on Snapchat in 2024. So without any further ado, let's get started. What you want to do is go to your Snapchat, and here as you can see, if I take a picture then only one snap is taken, and you can keep filters over it, but there's nothing more that you can really do. So what you want to do to take multiple snaps in a single snapshot is you want to click on the arrow button in the top right here, and as you can see there's many different things that you can choose from, and you can choose the dual camera capture with both front and back cameras. This will help you to capture multiple snaps at once in Snapchat. This is the only way where you can capture multiple snaps. That is also by using your front and back camera. So if you choose this option, then you can click 2 snaps in a single Snapchat, but other than that there is no other way on how you can do it. So this is a quick and easy method on how to take multiple snaps at Snapchat in 2024. Thank you guys for watching. If there's any questions or comments, leave it in the drop box below. It's me, Lee, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.